R6 credits, the premium currency in Rainbow Six Siege, do not expire on their own once purchased. They stay in your account until you spend them. However, you might see messages like, credits expired, you have no available credits are missing, reset. These usually happen because of one of these reasons. One, wrong Ubisoft account platform. If you used R6 credits on one Ubisoft account or platform, PS, Xbox, PC, Ubisoft Connect, and you're now logged into a different account, credits won't show. It looks like they're gone. Fix, log out, log in with the same Ubisoft account email you used to buy the credits. Sector 2. Cross-platform, not shared credits are not shared between platforms. If you had credits on PlayStation and then switched to Xbox PC, you won't see them there. Fix. Make sure you're on the same platform and store where you originally bought the credits. TARS 3. Purchase didn't complete. Sometimes the purchase goes through your bank or wallet but didn't register in the game. Fix. Check your purchase history, PS Store, Xbox Store, Ubisoft Connect to confirm the charge. If it shows completed, restore purchases or restart the game. 4. Season Pass credits versus R6 credits confusion. There are two currencies in R6. R6 credits, spendable in Shop Renown, earned through gameplay. Make sure you're not confusing Renown with credits. What to do if they still don't appear? Step by step. 1. Close the game fully. 2. Restart your console PC. 3. Sign out of Ubisoft Connect console account. 4. Sign back in with the exact account you purchased credits on. 5. Go to Shop Credits and check your current balance. 6. If needed, hit Restore Purchases on console Ubisoft Connect. If nothing works, you may need to contact Ubisoft support with your Ubisoft account email, transaction ID from your purchase, platform, PS, Xbox, PC, screenshot of the error. They can manually check your payment history and restore missing credits.